Just 100? Make it a mill. Ushers, close them doors. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Philly. It's me, Pippa. Today we are watching episode 7 of the White Lotus. Ooh, yay! Because it is a party. It is a dinner party we're going to today. I'm a little nervous. I don't know what Gregary is gonna do. Yeah, like, we know the father, he might unalive himself. Saxon has reserves of going, and I think he's picking up on things, but not really the right way. But let's not waste any time. Let's just hop right into the video, okay? Cover your drinks during this dinner party. Don't eat anything. We ate before we came, so we're good. Just don't eat anything. Let's go. They really went? Oh, wow. That's crazy. I thought they were just gonna be like, no, she doesn't feel well. Oh, yes. I need to see who this is. Oh, yes. It's definitely a wow. Ooh. That's his father, y'all. That is his dad. Ain't no, and he knows too. He knows that that's his father. Oh, this is gonna be good. Is the fight like a symbol for something, like they're about to step into the ring? Oh my, no tease. No more tease. No, don't give him no more tease. No more peppermint, no CRC, no chai, no chamomile, nothing. Yeah. Oh. Oh.
Do you know her?
Oh. Yeah, they do. They know he's lying. They know that he's lying. Like, at this point, give it up. They're like, so son, long time no see. Is this real? Is this real? Oh gosh, they brought him his herbal tea. Oh yeah, cause what you're about to say, yeah. But is this real? I feel like I'm being sold it too. That is definitely his father. I don't think he killed his father. I think that is his father. Oh yeah, they stayed overnight. I forgot. He stayed with her. But he was on the other side of her last episode. So is this the morning? This idiot. He's just... I can't be bothered. He's... Yeah, I think he's gonna unalive himself, y'all. It's quite sad. Oh, gosh. The boat people. He looks nice. He looks nice. But he doesn't want to go either. See, if the father's mind was right, he would have picked up on the fact that the son doesn't want them to go because something happened. But obviously, no. Girl, do not go. Do not go. And you're dressed? Exactly. Really? No. Oh, you're bold. No, I'm not. You sure? Okay. I'll give him that one. Y'all need to eat before you leave. Just eat before you leave. Fill your belly. everything, and tell people I'm going over here for dinner, just letting you know. Period. Uh-oh, these three. Oh, she look.
You raggedy bitch.
Bye. Okay. No. Don't have any. Yeah. Yeah. They might actually be the survivors because they're not going to eat with Gregary. Who knows? Yeah, so the Mai Tai thing, he's about to step into the ring with his dad, basically. Watch. Oh, Lord. I didn't watch any films. Sorry. Mm-hmm. Oh.
Maybe you and I could speak in an...
He knows. He's like, son. Oh, they're about to rumble. Yep, that's an allegory. They're really about to step into the ring with each other. Mm-hmm. Oh, her dress is lovely. He's not here. Yeah, he's not here. Uh-uh. Oh, so there's more. There's a lot of people there. Okay, it shouldn't be too bad. He's gonna drink that whole thing. Oh Lord, I feel so bad for him. Oh, okay. I thought he was talking to somebody else. Whew. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that'll be you in a few years. Soak it all in.
It's gonna be you in 30 years.
I just said it. No way. Yeah, you give off a
dude with a bunch of money. How's that any different?
Same.
Yeah, she different. Yeah, you can't even be vulnerable. What else? What else can you do? Yeah, he does. You too. Rubbed off on you too. Yeah, Saxon, you have to learn how to be vulnerable. But I don't think he can. Maybe at the end of the trip. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. When bullets start flying in the air. Oh, she changed his life with that right there. He's like, what did I just feel? Yeah, he's not gonna answer, my girl. You need to leave. You need to leave! Oh, he's, oh Lord. He sees that his dad is not really there. Mm-hmm. Finally, somebody's picking up on it. Yeah, you...
Can I talk with you for a second?
Yeah. He needs some intervention, Saxon. I'm counting on you to do that. Oh, girl, just walk the other way. Just go that way. Don't eat anything, don't drink anything. This man is his father. There's no question about it. Mm-hmm. This is his father. Ain't no way you're gonna do this in the man. You're joking. No, you're joking. Well, y'all never had food before? Eat. What's wrong? Pace yourself. Oh, he took her out on a date. That's cute. Oh, that's a cute dress. He's not here. Sorry. He's not here. Oh, he's telling her that he didn't get the promotion. Yeah, because you're stupid. And you don't have no sense. You don't have no sense. Yeah, tell her. You're right. You were afraid. It's okay to be afraid. But to be in that position, you can't be afraid. I'm sorry. That's nice that he doesn't want to hurt people, but in that position, you can't have those thoughts, unfortunately. He's a nice guy, yes, but he's still an idiot. So she really not gonna be with him because of that? They probably share the same brain cell at this point. It's ridiculous. Let me hear him sing. Okay. 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 He might get a golden ticket. I don't know. Let's see. Uh-oh. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Or something.
Oh.
No.
It's not that big of a deal.
When she did the same thing with Dave.
Ooh.
She was all over Dave. I'm sure you remember.
Yeah.
That was like 15 years ago.
No, you were.
What is really
Oh! She doesn't know.
project and make mountains out of molehills?
That's what you're doing. That's what you're doing.
No, fucking change it.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm upset because of Jacqueline.
Exactly. Yes. Oh.
If you always choose the short stick, is it bad luck?
Okay. Oh.
Or are you doing it to yourself?
Oh, she wanna go there. You wanna talk about mothers. Really?
What is that pattern, Kate?
She does. She can't. She have no backbone. No. Oh my gosh. It's because she tries her best. No. Give it to them.
And selfish.
Give it to them. Give it to them. Yes. Give it to them. Give it to them. Give it to them. Oh, Tada. They turned the gaslighting up to an 11. You don't have no sense. You too. Too bad, man. You need to pace yourself. I feel like she's gonna say something. Oh, Lord. Right? You can't ask that. What? Literally, look at your husband. Oh my gosh, lady. Stop. I told you don't eat anything. Why are you eating something? No, let's talk right out here. No.
I wanted my son.
Yeah.
No, I prefer.
No. 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 Yeah, no. No, I'm not going anywhere. No. Why would you say yes? You smarter than that. Thank you, Saxon. Thank you. Thank you, Saxon. You pick it up. Thank you. Thank you. You're my little brethren right now. Come on. No, tell him.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
I don't have anything else but this.
Exactly. You already made a name for yourself. He didn't. Yeah.
Interests? I don't have any hobbies. Okay.
No.
Nothing.
Wow.
I can handle being nothing.
Wow. This is a first for Saxon.
This basket into your basket.
Oh, this is the reverse. This is the. Oh. This is the first time he's ever vulnerable. Come on, be honest with him. He knows. Wow, this is the first time he's been vulnerable. He has no interest, no hobbies. But he was interested in Chloe. Joking. Jokes. But wow. Saxon? What? She did.
Magic happened to my wife, Tanya.
Yeah, you killed her. Yeah, you did. You killed her. So why did you run?
Yeah, I got you. I got you on camera.
I don't care. Why are you telling me?
So I can help it.
Why are you telling me this? He's gonna try and buy her off. I bet you. Yep, here we go.
Guilty that.
Mm-hmm. How do you know?
Yeah, I got you.
Oh, what did I tell you? What did I tell you?
Wanted that.
Just 100? Make it a mill. Ushers, close them doors. We ain't leaving till it's a mill.
Yo, shout for season, man. Shout for season, man. You can honor that.
Oh, see? No,
Very generous of you.
but she's not gonna take it. Don't take it.
I need to think about it.
Yep. Leave her alone. Let her think about it.
Sure.
She's not taking the money from you and then saying, "Oh, I gotta think about it." No, leave her alone. I still don't trust you. I don't know why she went there without her Zion.
Where you been? I've been looking all over.
I'm not playing.
Let's go.
Out of here.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, let's go. It's about to get active. Yeah, I don't trust him. Yeah, that's what I want to do to Jacqueline. At this point, you had all the guts and glory to come here. And a son right there, so... just come out with it. At this point. You keep jumping around things. You just need to come out and say it. Hey.
Oh my God.
Nice. Really? Asian don't raisin. Is that the term? She looks fabulous. Oh gosh. Somebody don't give him chamomile tea, please. Oh Lord. Really?
My mother.
Come on, just spit it out. Okay.
How about that?
You're not making any sense. Thank you. You lose me too. You lost me too. Just spit it out. Just say it.
Ring a bell.
No. He's gonna say no.
Let's remember. She had a husband.
Yeah, you.
Land deal or some shit.
No, I didn't.
Fucking remember that?
No.
I forgot to meet him because you're a fucking piece of shit.
Bro. Exactly. I am. Please don't do it. That's your father. That is your father. That's your dad. He is your father. Don't do it. Don't do it. Come on. Like, you don't see the resemblance? Why are you playing with this man? Jeez. Why would he do that? Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, they get it out of there. But he didn't talk with him. Come on, let's go. Let's go. That man was his father, okay? They're all at the same fight. At least she's encouraging him. You know what I mean? But still, if he doesn't want to do it, he doesn't want to do it. Oh, she was there. Oh. Mm-hmm. It's about to go down. Oh, Lord. No, don't drink any. Uh-oh. 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 He saw. The tattoo. The tattoo. What me tell you? Oh. actually really smart. You gotta tell her. You gotta tell her. Oh my gosh. It makes sense. Please tell her. Okay, I spoke too soon. I'd be there taking a picture. Yep. Is she gonna walk in on Lockie doing something crazy? I just can't trust him. Do what?
What?
Exactly.
Come with you. Here.
It's giving... It's giving... Yeah. He should tell her that something's wrong with his father. Yeah.
Harry wants you to stay.
Oh.
So wait, what's
What? Yeah.
Well,
What?
like all the time. And they would leave their door open
There's no way.
and just watch his dad go to town on his mom.
There's no way. Thank you. No.
It's hard with her
Thank you, Saxon.
that his girlfriend would be cheating on him with his best friend.
What?
The basis.
This is... He's a great liar. Thank you, Saxon. What?
demented?
Chelsea's like, I'm gonna leave.
You think?
Hell no. No.
Helping Gary.
How? Chelsea's like, do you not? Chelsea's like,
He didn't even touch you. He just wants to creep up on us. You and all good like he's winning his mother.
Oedipus Rex much?
Both.
No, Chelsea is...
Yes.
He's like, Dad, help me. Oh! Oh, Saxon, you're... Saxon, thank you. No.
What? I am not that kind of guy. No.
Well, you are. Yes, you are. Oh, lordy. Oh, brother. Oh, brother. You guys are not good. Y'all, Goggins needs to take off that white linen suit. Zion. Exactly.
Wouldn't. He's buying me
Off.
I'm telling
Exactly.
you off then. It's not right.
Her killed.
Look, Mom. 100,000
Bro.
whole year off.
Bro. No. Mm-mm.
Come on. If you don't come to terms with him, he's gonna come after you. You know that, right?
He has sense.
In the Gulf of Thailand. Shit, maybe mine too.
He got sense though, but still. I know, girl. I feel you. But he's so cute. I had to. What do you think?
I just, I feel bad.
You should. Uh-oh.
How bad am I supposed to feel?
You're supposed to feel bad. Yeah, speak up. You had enough backbone to tell her, but not to fight Jacqueline.
Defending my dinner.
You did not a great job whatsoever.
I'll be the bad guy. I'm used to it.
But you did that. That's what you are.
You raggedy bitch.
Aw.
I could be somebody else if I.
He actually is opening up. That's crazy. Wow.
Spiritual level, since that's so important to you.
Aw. She doesn't want you though.
Oh, try me.
No.
Teach me your ways.
Saxon, are you kidding me? He's growing as a character. What? If he tries something, I'm gonna turn all of this over. Come on, dude, try it. Here we go. Oh, Lord. She doesn't like that. She like our Goggins. She not like you. Yes, just fling the books after him. Trying to make it seem like you want to be involved in spiritualism. Yeah, bye. I don't blame her. You just, ugh. That girl is like this in the air. Okay, I mean, oh, what kind of club is this? What are you doing? What is that? Are you praying?
For Piper to be miserable in that temple.
It don't work like that. Oh gosh, I think he might not wake up, y'all. I seriously think that that's what's gonna happen. Oh, brother. Oh, she got a lick back. Uh-oh.
In New York City, yeah?
No. Oh. Okay.
Vladivostok to get my mother, but I can't.
Do you have your passports? Did you get your shots? To America. Pay off her debt. He's asking her for money. Don't give him any money. Do you have 10,000? No. I'll give you $20. That's the best I can do. Oh.
My mother needs me. She'll die there.
No. You see?
I don't have that kind of.
You could wire it.
Wire it?
Ah.
PayPal.
Yo. Oh my gosh. Why she do this? Cash App. Ooh. You need to leave. Leave. She sees the jewelry. Oh. Leave, girl. Oh my gosh. Girl, run. No. Oh gosh, and now she's lost. Oh, brother. Girl, Michael is right behind you. Oh, brother. I'm worried for her now. I'm so worried for her. I need her to make it back home safe. Here he go. He want to be just like them. Goggins, don't do it. And it's not there.
At this age,
Oh, Lordy. He's gonna go and...
I'd want to live.
This is give...
If I'm not a success, then I'm nothing.
Oh, Lord. Oh, no. What? This is too much. But it's not there. So we're good, right? We're good. It's not there. Gotcha. Oh, I think he's gonna remember. That's what you get. You need help. She needs to be, instead of praying for Piper, she needs to pray for her husband. That was episode 7. That was really good. I liked it. I didn't know that he was thinking of unaliving Saxon too. Saxon has a lot of good, he's picking up on a lot of stuff, and he's being more vulnerable now, which I love. I really like that. But next week is the last episode, and I am very nervous and scared, but I know it's gonna be good. We're like right there. Laura needs to make it back home. Like, oh, brother, I'm yeah, wow. That was a great episode. We saw Saxon become vulnerable. I think he might like Chelsea. I don't know. Chelsea's starting to warm up to him. Lockie's just following Piper around at this point, and I feel like she feels the same thing. Like she can't be her own person without him trying to be her in a way. Yeah. Zion and his mom. Zion, I see where you're coming from, but don't take that money. Don't do it. I wonder how it's gonna end. Oh my goodness. That was Goggins' father. That was his father. Okay? So, with that being said, I hope you had a great time watching with me. And we have one more day. That's right. We have one more day at this hotel. What's gonna happen? I don't want to leave the hotel. It's too nice, but we gotta go. We gotta check out soon. And Jaituk really, he's smart. He's smart, but he's still a little. Yeah. So I'll see y'all in the next one.